I click here. Okay. The letters are now on their way. Now I'm taking, wow, my credit's over 800. Holy Toledo, I got an 800, 806, 808 credit score. Damn.
And then for Equifax, nothing. For TransUnion, nothing. It's just that one in Experience that doesn't want to come on.
Wow, look at this. All of these are deleted and removed. All of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, that's 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Maybe it's itemized somewhere, but it says 17 marks that were removed either through one account or through one bureau or another. Where does it broken down? Process report, accounts in dispute. Well, we have 1, 2, 3. We've done 5 rounds of disputing, but it was 7, 6, 6, 6. But there's always been 7 or 6 items being disputed. Fourth dispute, fifth dispute. So some items have been really stubborn.
That's why I tell clients it is a process because it's so easy to damage the credit. One late payment, it'll make it drop significantly, but to try to get it back to where it needs to be is a process for sure.
But you see, though, these are products that work. That's what's important. Actually, I'm looking at, I see 6, 6, and 6. So they deleted a total of 18 counts, and I manually counted 18. So that verifies what I counted throughout each. Wow, and that means, yeah, so I started off with 7, 6, and 6, and they deleted 6 in every one, and I only have that one dispute remaining. This is a credit repair that really works. It helps people.